How to install a 3-sided eagle door frame from Avalon. The following are general instructions from our engineer. First, familiarize yourself with our shop drawings. The very last page is our instructions page. You must read that thoroughly in order to understand steps and techniques necessary for a successful install. The second page of our shop drawing shows the frame schedule with marked numbers, handings, the elevation, hardware, and special prep notes. Our isometric drawings also show how parts fit together. Then come all the elevations. Notice that the drawing only shows the right hand, but the elevation can have left hands and right hands in it. The most important thing is to pay attention to the hinge and strike locations and make sure that your rough openings match what we have on the elevations. We overthrowed our frame size by 1/8 of an inch wider than the wall size. The first step is to snap the door stop to the head, making sure wool pile faces the door, then put the head in place. If you're by yourself, use a C-clamp. Then put the jambs in place and use a clamp. Next, line the corner L-clips that come in every box. The round end goes down for a perfect alignment of the components. Ensure the corners are square and the jambs are plumb. Using the Tech screws, attach the L-clips to the jambs and header. Next, measure from the ground to the bottom of frame and ensure jambs are plumb. Now get some drywall screws at least 1.5 inches long and attach the jambs and head to wall at 18 inches on center, both sides of the jambs. Next, snap on the door stop to both jambs. Now hang the door. Use the heel of your hand to snap on casing. Congratulations, you just installed the industry's finest frame. If you need any other help, give us a call.